Hey everybody, it's Gus Activa, and today I will teach you guys how to use one of the most important connecting words in English. But before that, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So you've probably heard the word "and" before, whether it was in music, a movie you were watching, or a TV show you were watching in English. It is one of the most used connectors in the English language. We use "and" to connect ideas, connect people, connect sentences, and connect many other things. It's such a powerful word that I will teach you guys how to use right now. Let's start by connecting objects. I have a phone and a laptop. I have a cup and a bottle. Repeat this one after me. I have a pen and a notebook. Good job. Now let's go ahead and connect people. This is my friend and my teacher. She is a student and a worker. Repeat this one after me. He is my brother and my roommate. Good job. Now let's connect some actions. I wake up and I brush my teeth. I make coffee and I drink it. Say this one after me. I sit down and I study English. Good job. Let's connect descriptions. The food is hot and delicious. The room is big and clean. Repeat this one after me. The movie is funny and interesting. Good job. Now let's make longer sentences with "and." I wake up early and I go to work every day. I like English and I practice every night. Repeat this one after me. I watch videos and I learn new words. Good job. Now let's use "and" with opinions. I like coffee and tea. I like music and movies. Repeat this one after me. I like English and Spanish. Good job. All right, now it's time to do some real life practice. I need you to look around, find two things or two objects, and I want you to show me them using the word "and." I'll go first. This is a pair of glasses, and this is a phone. Now it's your turn. Good job. So you did a great job today. Remember, we use "and" to connect sentences, ideas, people, opinions, many other things. So I hope you guys add "and" into your English vocabulary. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.